Hey nerds, Amy here, and today we are going to explore one of two ways to create a clickable email link within a Microsoft list. Now today we are going to learn the hyperlink column type. However, if you are interested, I will attach another video here that will explore adding a JSON syntax to a text column type. Alright, let's nerd out. Today at Amy's Animal Barn and Petco, we are going to add a column to this pet reservations list for the owner's email address so that we can simply click on it and send them an email. To do this, we will add a column and we will select hyperlink. We will give the column a name and click save. Now when I go to add an email address to that column item, it will not accept it and giving me this error notification. So it's basically saying that this is not a valid hyperlink. So to correct this, what we are going to do is insert mail to : in front of the email address. Now we will see that that has accepted that and has now saved it. Back in the list, we now have this hyperlink with a clickable email so we can easily select the owner and then send them an email and it will automatically populate. Alright, so that wraps up this video, and I do hope that I've helped you discover your inner nerd today. As a reminder, this is one of two ways to create a clickable email address within Microsoft List. Let me know which one works out better for you in the comments below, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Alright, thanks for nerding out. We'll see you again.